lift our boots by the dock and watch the river turn to glass. Clayton held its breath for us as the day wore thin and past. You leaned on me like a porch rail, old wood through a summer storm, and the water kept on moving like a quilt somebody warmed. The gulls were folding up their wings, the sky was bruised and gold. You smiled like a match struck once and made the whole dusk cold. Hold me by the river, hold me till the blue runs low. Clayton on the water, where the last warm embers go. You and me, we drift there like two coins in a tide. Hold me by the river, let the sunset take its time. The lake breeze combed your hair like fingers through a field of wheat, and every little wavelet tapped its tin cup at our feet. The islands wore their shadows like velvet on a saint, and your laugh was just a lantern in a town that knows restraint. The day slipped off its hinges, soft as a coat of rain. You touched my hand and somehow made the whole world feel less plain. Hold me by the river, hold me till the blue runs low. Clayton on the water, where the last warm embers go. You and me, we drift there like two coins in a tide. Hold me by the river, let the sunset take its time. Tonight the river is a mirror with a secret in its skin. It keeps the fire for a minute, then it folds the fire in. If tomorrow asked for answers, we can leave it on the shore. I've got your name in my pocket, and that's enough to ask for more. Hold me by the river, hold me till the blue runs low. Clayton on the water, where the last warm embers go. You and me, we drift there like two coins in a tide. Hold me by the river, let the sunset take its time.